Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you what type of damage my end fed received. Yesterday we had wind gusts over 50 miles an hour, and I was out here this morning. I'm doing some other stuff out here, and I stumbled upon this. So as you can see, which I suspected over time, this plastic case got brittle, and I guess all the yanking, you can see the eyelid is all the way over here. So all of this was in the end. All of this was in the end fed. So as you can see, it obliterated I guess all the force of the yanking during the wind, obliterated it. So now it's just a big open hole there. You can see the windings, the balun itself, and there is no water in there. So I have a couple of things I can do, temporary fix. I can just put that back there and try to wrap it around with tape and all that. That'll be a temporary solution. Eventually, I'll try to get another box, and then that way, let me zoom in there. I'm gonna zoom in there a little bit. There you go. And that way, I should take care of that, or just replace it. I do have some balance I can try out. Maybe I'll go that route instead, because I suspected this was gonna happen over time. These plastic boxes, they're exposed to the elements, especially an end fed like this, which this does receive quite a bit of pull over time, especially in windy conditions. You know, it's gonna happen. And you know, like I said in previous videos, excuse me, this end fed, I had it for quite a few years. It was up on the roof, so it already been through the elements. And the fact that it lasted out here over a year, you know, it still works. It's just that it's not in the box no more, and I cannot leave it like this because obviously water's going to permeate in there and it's not going to be good. So I need to fix this, and until then, this is going to be offline. So there you go. So all these things have been happening lately. I don't know. I got a little streak of bad luck going on lately. But anyway, this is fixable. It's also replaceable because I do have balance already I can replace this with. And we'll see. So anyway, there you go. That's an update on the end fed. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.